this is a continuation from our last video. This is how to put gas in it. So you fill it up to here with gas, and then you mix it, then you put the oil in up to here. You have to have this kind of oil. You have to have 2 cycle. So usually it says 2 cycle. So then when you shake it, it goes down for some reason. Anyway, you might want, so you have to have a funnel. I mean, it's really good to have a funnel doing this. So, I mean, so we were doing it last time. So a few days ago when we were first riding it, we didn't have a funnel, and it made a mess, like a mess. So we're gonna put gas in. So you're gonna put the funnel in. It's a really long funnel. As for this, yeah, make sure you don't want to put this on the seat because there's gonna be gas on it and oil. So I recommend don't.